Okay, today we talked about our third method for solving systems of equations, elimination. Remember, the first thing you want to check with elimination is that all of your variables are lined up. In this first example, all of them are in line. The second thing you want to check is see if one of the variables will cancel out if you add straight down. In this case, your two y's will cancel. So you're going to add straight down 3x plus 4x is 7x. 5 plus 16 is 21. Then you're just going to solve for your variable, so you're going to divide by 7. You get x equals 3. Once you get the first variable, then you have to take the 3 and you have to plug it back in to either the top or the bottom equation. I'm going to use the top equation. So you have 3 times 3. Remember, you're replacing the variable it's equal to plus 2y equals 5. It doesn't matter which equation you plug it into, you just need to make sure you plug it into one. So you have 9 plus 2y equals 5. Subtract 9. You have 2y equal to negative 4. Divide by 2. Y is equal to negative 2. Then you need to write your answer as an ordered pair. X always goes first, so you have 3, negative 2. The second example, remember the first thing you want to check is that all your variables are lined up. Then the second thing you want to check is if one of the variables will cancel out. In this case, if you add them together, nothing will cancel, but if you subtract, your x's will cancel. So remember, when you are subtracting, what you're doing is you are multiplying the entire equation by negative 1. So you need to rewrite your top one, x minus 4y equals 5. Then you need to multiply your entire bottom equation by negative 1. So you have negative x plus 3y equal to 2. Now you can add straight down. Your x's are going to cancel out. Negative 4y plus 3y is negative 1y. Equal 5 plus 2 is 7. Divide by negative 1. And you have y equal to negative 7. Then you want to take negative 7 and you want to plug it back into one of the equations. I'm going to plug it into the top one. So I have x minus 4 times negative 7 equal to 5. So I have x, negative 4 times negative 7 is positive 28 equals 5. Then I'm going to subtract 28. So I have x equals negative 23. Again, I'm going to write my answer as an ordered pair. Negative 23, negative 7. Alright, this last example, first thing you want to check for is make sure all your variables are lined up. In this case, currently, none of them are in line, so you need to make sure you get them all in order. On the second equation, you're going to subtract 4x. So you have negative 4x plus 2y equals 2. So now you want to put your two equations together. So the first one was 4x minus 2y equals 20. And your second one, negative 4x plus 2y equals 2. Now that they're in order, you want to check and see if one of the variables will cancel out. In this case, it is a special circumstance. What you're going to notice is that both of your variables are going to cancel out, leaving you with 0 equal to 20 plus 2 is 22. This is not a true statement, so this is no solution. And remember, if you were graphing these two lines, this would be parallel lines.